Hey everyone, next week is Halloween and I got two super easy and fast DIYs that you can all do and you will never guess they're both from the Dollar Tree. Let's get right to it. Luckily, Christmas comes to the dollar store in like September, so we can actually make use of these amazing little houses that are supposed to be for like a Christmas village. Well, it's so awesome because you can put a tea light inside and it comes with so many different accessories, so many different things that you can make a small village out of. We're only going to need some black acrylic paint also from the Dollar Tree, and we're literally just painting this whole thing black. Now you can also customize it to whatever color you want. I decided to paint the whole thing black just so it looks super uber spooky, but of course, you know, some purples, some greens. You can add a little bit more color in there and just make it a beautiful Halloween village. I found these Christmas trees. I thought just a little pop of color, and then I decorated with all these skulls as well that I painted this tan color. Plain, simple, easy, and somewhat super chic. So the next one that we are going to be making, I bought two of these pool noodles, and we're going to be making a super duper cool candlelight kind of display. I'm going to be cutting these in different lengths just so we have a lot of depth, and you know, the differentiation in height, it makes a really big difference as far as the look that we are going for. So the tricky part is that we are going to be using a glue gun, and essentially this actually melts the noodles away. So what you want to do is kind of wait just a little bit and then stick it all together. You kind of want to hold it together, you know, for a few seconds so it sticks, but you can also use an elastic band to hold everything in place. This plastic plate that we're going to be using as a base is also from the Dollar Tree. And after you've glued everything together, then we are just going to be taking our glue gun once again, and we're kind of making these faux like drippage from wax, and it looks really cool. I really like how it turned out actually. And then we're gonna take the X-Acto knife and we're just gonna create like a more realistic looking candle, so it doesn't just, you know, it's not just a straight top. We're gonna be also making like a bigger hole inside so that our tea lights fit. Please don't put a real candle here because you can definitely cause a fire. Use fake ones also from the Dollar Tree. I'm using the same acrylic paint that we painted the village with, and I am just going to hand paint this. I don't want to spray it because first of all, it just takes so long to dry and it's gonna stink. So this was really easy to do by hand. And I got a few little moss just to decorate, and there's a couple ways of decorating this actually. There's one where you can make it really spooky with all of these cobwebs. I'm painting the spiders purple so that it kind of pops out. And then this guy is, you know, the star of the show. I've had him for a while and I just thought it's really cool to just put him up here. And then there's also a pretty way to make this look more chic, and I just got some dried flowers from my local like florist and just the painted skulls that we used before. And I love the way this one turned out because it looks really pretty, but yet really spooky. So there's a couple easy decor pieces that you can all incorporate this Halloween season. I mean, I love the way it turned out. They just look so good. It's so different. It's grand. It's big. It's spooky. It's very Halloweenish. And you know, if you love this DIYs, make sure that you comment down below and let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can get some DIYs from this channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.